Eat Drink Man Woman, directed by Ang Lee in 1994, tells the story of a renowned chef in Taipei, Mr. Chu, and the emotional entanglements between him and his 3 daughters amidst the clash of tradition and modernity. The film was nominated for Best Foreign Language Film at the 67th Academy Awards. Cinematographer Lin Liang Kong emphasized shaping light by blocking it. Following the Eastern aesthetic of negative space, the lighting follows a minimalist approach. What seems like natural light is in fact carefully controlled. Lin rejected the overly adjustable precision of modern LEDs, opting for the physical imperfections of tungsten color drift and fluorescent flicker to bring a sense of realism, mirroring the characters' emotional conflicts between tradition and modernity. Indoor scenes primarily use black flags, 300K320K tungsten lights with black flags, to create chiaroscuro with contrast ratios, often reaching 1:8. Exterior city scenes use 5600K HMIs, combined with red and blue gel filters, to reflect Taipei's sense of modern alienation. In our selected scene set in an office at night, precise lighting design creates intense dramatic tension. Hu Jia-Qian is illuminated with soft paramount lighting, reinforcing her dominant role. In contrast, Li Kai stands in Rembrandt lighting, with only part of his face lit, hinting at his emotional complexity. The light-shadow contrast enhances visual layers and foreshadows the character's dynamic, subtly building suspense within a naturalistic look. In just a few seconds, this scene effectively establishes character relationships and narrative tension, an example of perfect unity between form and content. We first set up the scene by placing props and actors. Then we modified the RRI 650 plus 650W incandescent light with a KTB gel to shift it into cooler tones, and positioned it at a 45-degree angle to the left side actor. A black flag was used to control spill, resulting in this effect. Next, we used the Cineroid PN-CL800 LED light with a scrim and KTB to create a blue-tinted background. We then used 3 Aputure MC Mini LED lights. One was placed to the far left with a green gel to create ambient fill. Another was installed inside a DIY green desk lamp to enhance atmosphere and fill the actor's face. The final MC light was placed behind the actor on the right to provide backlight. However, due to spatial limitations, light was leaking through the glass door. To solve this problem, we placed a whiteboard behind the door to block the spill. Combined with color grading and filters, we achieved the final look for the first shot. For the second shot, a close-up, we adjusted the position of the main light to better sculpt the character's outline. We moved the camera and added another MC light beside the desk lamp to further brighten the actor's face. This gave us the completed second shot. Overall, as a 2-person team working with limited equipment, the final result didn't fully replicate the original film. There were several flaws. Also, due to limited classroom time and equipment availability, we were unable to document the full setup process, which was a pity. In future projects, we hope to improve by minimizing errors and achieving a more polished lighting effect.